Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Today we are going to be unboxing a Mintmongoose subscription box. It's a monthly jewelry subscription box that delivers handmade jewelry to your doorstep each and every month. These jewelry pieces are all inspired by the founder's life. That is where she draws her inspiration from. I do have to say that these are the jewelry pieces that I get the most compliments on in my day-to-day life. Now, if you would like to see more Mintmongoose unboxings, I will be linking that playlist in the description box down below, so you can check out those unboxings after today's video. Now, a little disclaimer, some of those month's unbaggings were purchased by me, and some were sent over to me to unbag or unbox by Mintmongoose, and that is the case for this video. This video's collection is sent over courtesy from Mintmongoose, and they send over for me to unbox with you the regular jewelry subscription and the t-shirt as well. So the regular jewelry subscription has plans that start at $13.49 per month. So that is 3 pieces for $13.49, and you get to keep all 3 pieces. Shipping in the United States is free, and it's $10 to ship anywhere else. And Mintmongoose also does have different add-ons. They do have, like I said, the t-shirt subscription add-on, which is an additional $9.99 a month. And they do have, I'm looking just to make sure I get this correct, they have an earring and a ring subscription that is for $3.99 a month. I will be leaving Mintmongoose's website down below in the description box as well, so you can check out their subscription service for yourself, as well as some of the other pieces that they do offer. I will be putting my discount code in the description box down below as well, SPARK50, so you can receive 50% off of your first box. Now let's see what the inspiration for this collection is. Here's the card. It's some stones with an outline of a light bulb, and it says, "Imagine, explore, create." And on the back, she has written, "Hi there, this month's set is inspired by harnessing and running with creativity. Between the jewelry creations and daily lives of 3 kiddos ages 5 and under, one thing we are not short of in my household is creativity. However, it wasn't until my daughter Emma ran up to show me her 1,498th drawing that I realized it. She caught me right at the right moment, and that drawing stopped me in my tracks. I began watching her and her brother Emerson as they continuously pushed the boundaries of reality to live with flair in the life they were creating moment by moment. It was a beautiful thing. We have rocks in front of our house, and 99% of the time we come or go. Emerson grabs a rock, which he becomes instantly attached to and dreads having to return it to its home. While Emma grabbed my attention and drew my eye to the creativity we're thriving in, I really wanted to incorporate Emerson and his quirky ways as we celebrate his 4th year of life and Emma's 6th. With my infatuation with nature, I couldn't think of a better way to memorialize my little man's love for those landscaping rocks than with some real polished stones. 3, of course, for my 3 kiddos. I hope that this set reminds you of a few things when you wear it. 1, the beautiful things happening all around you that may be a bit clouded by day-to-day life, but that only take a little effort to appreciate. And 2, the amazing tool that creativity is and the power it has to completely transform and inspire when given the chance. You have it in you, and I hope that when you wear this set, you feel inspired to create. Let's take a look at the t-shirt. So the t-shirt, there's more as well, just like there was in the last month. All right, I'll get to that in a second. The t-shirt is just as soft as it was in the last collection. Here it is. So the t-shirt does seem a little bigger than it did in the last collection, which is good. So it has the exact same design that the card does. The light bulb with the same wording, create, imagine, explore. So like I said, the t-shirt add-on subscription is $9.99 per month, and then the earring and ring subscription add-on is $3.99 a month. You can, by the way, when you subscribe, choose between gold, silver, or rose gold for your pieces to come in, and you can tell Mintmongoose if you have pierced ears or not, like if you would prefer earrings or no earrings. I asked for all of my jewelry in gold. Here's the ring. All of the rings that I've received from Mintmongoose have been adjustable, but like adjustable in a stealthy way. And this is definitely one of those cases. So this is just a gold ring that wraps around. Let's see, I'll put it on this finger. And it looks almost kind of feathery here, like sort of a feather. I'll just tighten this up a little bit. And so that's what it looks like on. Really like that design. Oh, these earrings are something else. These are some beauties. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at them. So they are post earrings. And they look to be black stone with some gold flecks inside. Looks like some gold foil inside. Try them on. Yes. Ooh, yes. I think these earrings are going to be my new day-to-day obsession. So now let's get into the pieces that are inspired by Helena's life. Since I did say that I would like earrings, they sent over an earring, or they sent over two earrings, not just one earring, and then 2 necklaces that following, if these follow the other Mintmongoose selection sort of patterns, can be worn by themselves or together. So all of your jewelry pieces do, by the way, come tissue paper wrapped all together, but they're all in their individual packaging. So I've never received anything that's all tangled up with each other. Oh, so these earrings are some hang earrings and they feature the stone. I love how organic these earrings look. Ooh. So even though I was a little concerned these would be heavy since it was a stone, not at all. These are very lightweight. All right, so now I have 2 earrings that are going to battle it out for my new daily obsession. Opening up the first necklace. Oh, okay. This is different. It is a gold chain, but some of the links are larger than others. See, in all Mintmongoose necklaces, if you are new to the company, have different lengths that you can clasp to make your necklaces as long or as short as you would like. I'm going to do mine the second from the end. Well, that is unique. I've never had a necklace that has, I've had small link necklaces and large link necklaces before, but never on the same, or I guess this would technically be like a mid-size link, never on the same necklace before. That is a different look. And now for the final piece, the final necklace. You can already tell it does feature these stones as well. Oh, I like the setting of these. So it is the 3 stones, and in between each stone, I'm not exactly sure if you can see it, like if my camera will focus. In the middle of the 3 stones, she did put little gold separators. Let me actually take this one off. Usually with the necklaces from Mintmongoose, one is very long and then one's a shorter necklace, but these are both, it appears to be, at least at first glance, both approximately the same sort of length. So let me take it off so that we can see fully what this looks like. Oh, I love that. That is unique as well. All of the pieces in this collection are very unique. Oh, I like that so much. So let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this collection from Mintmongoose. Which piece was your favorite? I would love to hear from you. Once again, I will be leaving Mintmongoose's website down below, as well as my discount code so that you can receive 50% off of your first box and that playlist that you can just binge your way through if you would like. A big thank you to the folks over at Mintmongoose for sending these pieces over for me to unbox with you here today. Big thank you to you for sitting here and hanging out with me today. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!